Before you buy another three-row SUV, wait, because the 2027 Kia Sorento may be the family hauler rivals hoped Kia would not build. It is not the biggest SUV in the segment, and that is exactly the point. Kia is aiming for the sweet spot: hybrid efficiency, plug-in flexibility, rugged styling, smarter safety, premium cabin tech, and three-row usefulness without the full-size headache. Ignite your engines. You're on the grid with Motor Maven. Today, we're counting down 7 reasons the 2027 Sorento could finally fix owner complaints and turn the family SUV battle into checkmate. Number 7. The plug-in hybrid that rewrites the daily commute. The 2027 Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid could be the model's biggest advantage, giving families a smart balance between fuel savings and gas-powered flexibility. Its current PHEV setup combines a turbocharged hybrid system, 261 horsepower, standard all-wheel drive, and about 31 miles of EPA estimated electric range. While that may seem modest beside a full EV, it is useful for daily routines like school runs, work commutes, errands, and grocery trips. Many short drives can happen quietly on battery power, while the gasoline engine remains ready for longer road trips, eliminating range anxiety and charging station stress. But efficiency is only one part of the Sorento's checkmate strategy, because Kia also knows buyers want an SUV that looks tough before they even open the door. Number 6. Tougher styling that finally feels premium. The 2027 Kia Sorento's design is a major reason it stands out before buyers even study the specs. Kia has moved far beyond its old value brand image, and the Sorento now looks more premium than many pricier rivals. Its upright stance, bold lighting, confident grille, and squared-off details give it a rugged mid-size SUV presence instead of a soft crossover look. The X-Line and X-Pro trims add all-terrain tires, blacked-out accents, roof rails, extra ground clearance, torque vectoring all-wheel drive, terrain mode, and stronger towing capability, giving families adventurous style without sacrificing everyday comfort. And once the Sorento wins attention with that tougher design, the next question becomes even more important. Does it have the right power under the hood to match the look? Number 5. Powertrain choices that match real buyers. The Sorento stands out by offering multiple powertrain personalities instead of one compromise. The current gas model uses an available 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, giving confident pull for merging, hills, passing, and loaded family trips. The Sorento Hybrid serves as the efficient middle ground, requiring no plug while delivering smooth acceleration, strong range, and up to 37 miles per gallon combined in front-wheel drive form. At the top, the plug-in hybrid adds electric driving for daily use, giving shoppers real options. Still, a strong powertrain lineup only gets families halfway there, because the real ownership experience begins once everyone climbs inside. Number 4. An interior that punches above its price. The Sorento's cabin helps Kia outshine mainstream three-row SUV rivals by feeling more upscale than expected. Current models offer 2 available 12.3-inch screens that form a wide panoramic digital cockpit with a modern, premium look. Higher trims can add premium upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, second-row captain's chairs, a panoramic sunroof, digital rear-view mirror, and premium audio. Together, these touches make the Sorento feel closer to near luxury than basic family transport. Buyers get more than space. They get a calm, smart, comfortable cabin that feels worth the money daily. Before we venture further, we'd appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button. It helps Motor Maven connect with more auto aficionados just like you, and it keeps you in the loop for the next vehicle updates, comparisons, and upcoming SUV releases. Now let's change lanes and dive into the technology that could make the 2027 Sorento feel even more complete. Number 3. smart tech and safety rivals still put behind paywalls. The 2027 Kia Sorento could build its value by making advanced tech and safety feel easier to access than many rivals. The current Sorento offers an available 24-inch panoramic display with navigation, creating a modern command center with clear menus, useful driving information, and simple smartphone integration. Higher trims add helpful touches like a digital rear-view mirror for better visibility when passengers or cargo block the view. Safety remains a major strength with collision assistance, lane support, highway driving assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, parking assistance, and safe exit assistance for everyday family confidence. But smart technology only works if the vehicle itself fits real family life. And that is where the Sorento's size becomes one of its most underrated advantages. Number 2, 3-row flexibility without the big SUV headache. The Sorento's smartest advantage is 3-row flexibility without full-size SUV bulk. It stays easier to park, manageable in tight spaces, and less demanding at the pump, ideal for families using the 3rd row occasionally. Current models offer generous 2nd-row room, while the 3rd row suits kids or shorter adult rides. Cargo space handles groceries behind the 3rd row, expands when folded, and reaches around 75.5 cubic feet total. For 2027, smarter storage or added comfort would strengthen its practical formula. So now the Sorento has efficiency, design, powertrain choices, cabin comfort, technology, safety, and smart packaging. But the final question is the one every buyer eventually asks. Does the price make sense? Number 1, value and trim choices. Kia's Checkmate move. The Sorento's value argument gets stronger when pricing enters the conversation. Current 2026 models start at $32,390 before destination and fees, while the hybrid begins at $38,890 and the plug-in hybrid at $48,290. For 2027, estimates suggest pricing near $34,000, depending on trims, options, destination charges, and dealer pricing. That creates a flexible lineup. Lower trims cover basic 3-row needs. Hybrid models focus on fuel savings, plug-in hybrid versions add electric daily driving, and X-Line or X-Pro trims bring rugged styling with all-wheel drive confidence. This range reaches families, commuters, tech fans, and adventure-minded SUV shoppers. Put all of that together, and the Sorento's biggest strength is not just one headline feature. It is how all 7 reasons stack up into one SUV that refuses to play by the usual family hauler rules. Final verdict, the family SUV that refuses to settle. The 2027 Kia Sorento could be one of the smartest family SUVs because it tackles real buyer complaints. Better fuel economy without range anxiety, 3-row flexibility without a massive footprint, premium features without luxury pricing, and safety, comfort, style, and capability without overpriced packages. If Kia delivers the right updates, the Sorento could seriously pressure rivals. Would you choose the hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or X-Pro? And could it beat bigger SUVs like the Telluride, Highlander, or Pilot overall for families? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on the latest vehicle updates from Motor Maven. Appreciate you riding along with us. We've got plenty more in the garage for you to explore. If you thought the 2027 Kia Sorento was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.